Continuing to track strong thunderstorms that are working their way through the eastern third of our viewing area this afternoon. Take a look behind me. This is Storm View Doppler radar. The blue counties that you see shaded, that's where we have had severe thunderstorm watches in effect until 1 p.m. this afternoon. They are beginning to shade that and moving its way across the state line, but still we have some concern for areas towards the eastern fringe of our viewing area where we are talking about upwards of pea-sized hail being reported right now over central and southern portions of Pettis County and Saline County. And that's where you can see from Concordia right along I-70 through Lamont and very close to Sedalia. These storms are under damaging criteria right now, but certainly very heavy downpours you can expect, a lot of thunder and lightning, and again, pea-sized hail with these cells as they're continuing to work their way off to the east this afternoon. Again, we're continuing to monitor as we do have this severe thunderstorm watch, and it remains for the eastern fringe of our viewing area until 1 p.m. this afternoon. So we will continue to monitor this threat for severe weather right now, and we'll have that ongoing chance for strong storms even through this afternoon. We'll continue to keep you advised at the top of the hour all day long. That is the very latest from the First Alert Weather Center.
Stay connected to the team you trust for weather on KMBC.com.